That first clean beep in the headphones is addictive, but it is also where a lot of people waste weekends, because the wrong metal detector will either chatter nonstop, miss the small stuff, or make you dig junk all day. In 2026, you do not need the most expensive detector to get real results, but you do need the right mix of ground handling, target separation, and usability for where you actually hunt: parks, fields, dry sand, freshwater, or wet, mineralized ground. So in this video, I am counting down my top 5 metal detectors in descending order, starting at number 5 and ending with the one I think offers the best overall price to performance at number 1. If you want to check current pricing or see what each model comes with, you can find those details in the description. At number 5 is the Bounty Hunter TK4, a budget-friendly detector that keeps things simple, while still giving you the core features that actually matter when you are learning. The TK4's automatic ground balancing helps it stay stable as you move between different soils, which is exactly what new users need when they are still figuring out sensitivity and swing speed. You get 3 practical detection modes: all metal, full discrimination, and tone discrimination, so you can either hunt wide open for maximum response or tighten things up to reduce trash signals. The waterproof 8-inch coil gives you flexibility for wet grass and shallow water edges, and the two-tone audio is a straightforward way to tell likely better targets from likely junk without staring at a screen. With adjustable sensitivity and discrimination knobs, you can dial in a cleaner hunt, and in ideal conditions it will reliably hit coin-sized objects around the 6-inch range. It is not a high-end target ID machine, but it is durable, lightweight, comfortable for long hunts, and it delivers a strong entry-level experience for coins, basic relics, and casual jewelry hunting. At number 4 is the Nocta Simplex Ultra, and this is the pick for people who want a tough, modern, all-terrain detector without stepping into premium pricing. The Simplex Ultra is fully waterproof for submersion up to 5 meters, which makes it a legitimate option for freshwater beaches, rivers, and wet conditions where many detectors tap out. Its lightweight carbon fiber build keeps it easy to carry without feeling flimsy, and the 15 kHz operating frequency improves sensitivity to smaller targets like thin gold jewelry, small relics, and lower conductive finds that cheaper detectors sometimes miss. You also get Bluetooth headphone capability for wireless convenience, and features like adjustable iron volume help reduce the constant annoyance of iron chatter when you are working trashy areas. 6 preset search modes, including beach and park, make it easy to start hunting immediately, while manual sensitivity and ground balance controls let you tune it when conditions get tougher. Target separation is a real strength here, and depth can reach roughly the 10-inch range on coins in favorable ground. The one caution is saltwater. It can perform well, but you may need to tune sensitivity carefully on wet, mineralized sand. Overall, it is a rugged, capable step up for beginners who want room to grow. At number 3 is the Garrett Ace 250, an all-time classic for beginners who want a lightweight detector that is easy to understand and still reliably finds real targets. The Ace 250 shines because it does not overwhelm you. It gives you preset search modes you can select quickly for coins, jewelry, or relic-style hunting, and the electronic pinpoint function makes recovery easier, especially when you are still learning how to center a target under the coil. The coil is waterproof, which is perfect for damp grass, shoreline edges, and shallow water conditions, and the ergonomic design balances well for longer sessions, without feeling like you are dragging a tool behind you. The LCD display keeps things readable with depth indicators and sensitivity adjustments that help you filter out common junk like bottle caps and random scrap. And the control box design remains visible in bright sun thanks to its practical lip. The trade-offs are worth knowing. The control box is not waterproof, and it can struggle when you are close to other detectors due to interference. But for parks, fields, and dry beaches, it remains a dependable, user-friendly detector with interchangeable coil options that let you expand later. At number 2 is the Minelab Equinox 800, the runner-up pick, and one of the best choices for detectorists who want serious versatility across multiple environments without buying multiple machines. The Equinox 800's multi-IQ technology is the big deal here because it enables simultaneous multi-frequency detection, which helps it stay accurate and consistent as you move between different ground types and target profiles. It is lightweight, waterproof up to 3 meters, and comfortable enough for long hunts, especially when you are switching between preset modes like park, field, and gold. Wireless audio is built into the experience. Battery life is strong for extended sessions, and its target separation is excellent in trash-heavy spots, where a lesser detector will smear targets together and waste your time. If you hunt mineralized ground or chase small gold, the higher frequency gold mode gives you sensitivity that many general-purpose detectors cannot match. You also get deeper control through settings like recovery speed and manual ground balance, which is why the Equinox appeals to both ambitious beginners and experienced hobbyists. The learning curve is real, because it can do a lot, but once you understand the settings, it consistently delivers depth, stability, and accurate performance in places where simpler detectors start to feel limited. At number 1 is the Garrett AT Max, and I'm putting it here because it hits the strongest overall balance of price, durability, and real-world performance for serious all-terrain hunting in 2026. The AT Max is built for harsh conditions, fully submersible up to 3 meters, and it handles difficult ground, including mineralized soils and challenging beach environments with advanced ground balance features that help keep it stable and responsive. Its 13.6 kHz frequency is a strong middle ground choice that can hit a wide range of targets, from smaller gold to larger coins, with impressive depth and sensitivity for a detector in this category. The true all-metal mode is there when you want maximum detection range, and Garrett's iron audio feature helps you make smarter decisions by revealing iron characteristics so you are not fooled by trash that sounds good at first pass. You get multiple search modes for different scenarios, quick mid-hunt adjustments, and a rugged build that feels like it is meant to be used hard, not babied. Wireless Z-Link headphones remove cable hassle, the backlit screen helps in low light, and the overall experience feels purpose-built for hunters who want a single detector that can handle parks, fields, freshwater, and wet environments without constantly fighting the machine. That is my top 5 for 2026, and the right pick depends on how you hunt. If you want a simple budget entry with solid fundamentals, the Bounty Hunter TK4 is a strong place to start. If you want a waterproof all-terrain machine with modern features and great value, the Nocta Simplex Ultra is a smart upgrade. If you want classic beginner-friendly performance with easy target recovery, the Garrett Ace 250 still earns its reputation. If you want maximum versatility and serious multi-environment performance, the Minelab Equinox 800 is hard to beat. And if you want the best overall balance of durability, features, and all-terrain reliability, the Garrett AT Max is my number 1. Check the description for pricing and what is included with each model, and if you tell me where you hunt most and what you are trying to find, I can point you to the best match in one sentence.